Now we are going to use the interface, continue our previous example with number interface. Once we define this interface, we can use the interface in our contract as follow. So if you have the address like this, what we have to do is to pass the address into the number interface. So now the number contract is pointing to the other contract with the address, which is number interface address. So in this way, you can interact with any other contract on the Ethereum blockchain as long as they expose those functions as public or external. So now we can put it into the test. So we already have the Kitty interface. In the next line, we create a Kitty interface named Kitty contract and initialize it with CK address, which is CryptoKitty's address. So under this line, we add Kitty interface and then Kitty contract, and which is equal to Kitty interface, and then we pass the CK address and type the semicolon and check the answer. So now we can go to the next chapter.